whole new Syma
x26
is going to bring you a whole new flight experience. It's ready to fly when you get it. In the following process, you're free to pause the video at any time and learn the
x26
accessories assembly with us. Install battery for aircraft. Open the remote controller's battery compartment and put the 4 self-purchased batteries into the battery compartment and finish battery installation. Finally, turn on the controller and aircraft. After matching is done, unlock the aircraft and begin to fly. Turn off the aircraft. Turn on the aircraft. Turn off the aircraft. 1 key takeoff. 1 key landing. Fly in the constant altitude. Ascend. Descent. Forward. Backward. Left sideward flight. Right sideward flight. Left rolling. Right rolling. Define the front before opening the headless mode. Headless mode. Long press the right joystick into the headless mode and then long press the right joystick to exit the headless mode. High and low speed switch. Short press the right joystick to switch the flight speed of the aircraft. Trimmer key. When the aircraft is off, press the left joystick until it enters into the trimming mode, and then push the corresponding joystick to fine-tune. "3D rolling mode." Press the rolling button on the top right corner and then push left and right joysticks to lower right for horizontal correction. Long press the trimming button and restart the controller for trimming reset.
Our x26 has 4 sensing points so that it can be changed direction immediately when it meets obstacles. When you fly, x26 can detect light obstacles in a farther place and dark obstacles in a relatively short place. However, it won't be able to detect reflective obstacles due to reflective light. Syma x26
makes fly so easy.